Brightsquid pre-sending notices automatically inform people contacting you about your policies, response times, office closures, or other relevant announcements. Your customized pre-sending notices display information to senders before they message you. Notices can be unique for professional or patient senders. These notices appear before sending instead of as an auto-reply, so the information isn't missed if the sender doesn't check for auto-replies. Unique pre-sending notices can be set for your My Inbox and your Shared Inbox. Here's how to configure a pre-sending notification for My Inbox. Log into your Brightsquid account, navigate to Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the Personal Details tab to find Sender Notifications. Enter your notification text into either the patient or professional notice box, or both. Senders will only see the notice relevant to their account type. Check the box for notices you want to enable and click Save. To configure pre-sending notices for your shared inbox, follow the same process under the Clinic Details tab. Notices will be displayed to users in two places: on the Compose page after the message is addressed to you or your clinic, on your contact page or clinic listing in the Brightsquid Professional Directory. Key points to remember. Your notices will only be displayed to users who have addressed a message to the associated inbox. When a patient addresses a message to your clinic's shared inbox, which is typically your clinic name, they'll see the notice configured under Clinic Details. Similarly, they will see the notice configured in Personal Details when they address a message to your email address. End users can configure their personal pre-sending notifications, or the clinic administrator can do it in the Clinic Members tab. Only administrators can configure the shared inbox pre-sending notifications. That's how the connected healthcare community communicates more effectively.